Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where we turn your design ideas into reality. Today, we're getting into the holiday spirit with a fun and easy tutorial on making holiday greeting cards using Canva. First things first, head over to canva.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's free to sign up. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button and search for Greeting Card. Canva has a ton of templates to choose from, but for this tutorial, we'll start with a blank canvas to let our creativity flow. Selecting and applying background. Now, let's set the mood. Choose a festive background color or pattern. Canva offers a variety of options in its Elements tab. Click the Graphics option to find your favorite background. For a classic look, I'm going with a warm, red gradient. Adding holiday-themed illustrations. Next, let's add some holiday elements. Click on Elements and search for keywords like Christmas, holiday, or snowflakes. You'll find plenty of illustrations, icons, and decorations. Drag and drop a few that catch your eye onto your card. Adding and customizing text. Click on the Text tab and add a heading. Type out your holiday greeting, something like Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays. Customize the font and color to match your theme. I like using a combination of script and bold fonts for a festive touch. Uploading a photo and adding it to the card. Let's not forget to personalize your card. Add a message or a family photo to make it extra special. You can upload your own images or choose from Canva's extensive library. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to download and share it. Click on the Share button at the top right corner, select your preferred file type, and hit the Download button. You can print it out, email it, or share it on social media to spread the holiday cheer. And there you have it, a beautiful, personalized holiday greeting card made in Canva. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own festive designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.